guys, welcome back to one of my next vlog, long overdue, and I trust that y'all are doing well. So today is more like a lifestyle vlog where I'll be making a green juice in the morning, cause it's good to eat healthy, to live healthy, and when you're deciding like me to change your lifestyle, you have to consider your diet as well. So for my green juice today, I will be having this is watermelon, pineapple watermelon, and some apples, and I have some kale, and this is cucumber with ginger. So that's my green juice ingredients for today. So the blender is already here with the water, 1 cup of water. So I'm adding these now. Right, add in. And guys, remember to wash your hands, wash your vegetables, wash your fruit. Yes, you have to wash them. They were already pre-prepped and washed. Right, so now it's time to pulse. So guys, here you have it, my green juice smoothie in the morning, or it's a green juice, right? So, and as we know, these fruits and vegetables are packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals which are good for the body in eliminating toxins and waste from the body. So guys, I hope y'all like this video and y'all will try it, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, right guys? And I trust that y'all are keeping safe, because right now we all need to keep safe. And remember to trust God, love God, serve God, believe in God to be our protection, okay guys? And follow protocols and wear your mask, okay guys? Because this virus or thing, it's not showing on anyone's face, so you won't know that person's have it by their looks. So just be safe, right? Just be safe and be careful, okay guys? Until next time, love you.